She in the city, but she from a small town. High heels, tall shots make her fall down. Up late, now she running with the fast crowd. But she call me every night before she pass out. I don't wanna waste my time with girls who roll in their eyelids, girls who looking for a place to stay because they came away from Long Island. I don't wanna make your mind up, I'm just trying to make you mine quick. But ever since I put you in my line up, all I do is choke, Heimlich. Good girl in a bad dress, but ain't nothing really changed but your address. You in the Upper West Side, you were thinking of the people that never would've accepted all your assets. But I'm cashless and you cash poor, I'ma give you anything that you ask for. You a small town girl, but you living in the city, so you always keep your heart near your passport. Yeah, she in the city, but she from a small town. High heels, tall shots make her fall down. Up late, now she running with the fast crowd. But she call me every night before she pass out. You ain't fooling us. You're from a small town. You ain't fooling us. You're from a small town. I don't know what's next for us, but every time I talk, it's like I messed it up. People wanna tell me that I'm too honest, walking on eggshells, 2 omelets. And I know that it's hard cause you left your town. Dad don't call like he let you down. You don't wanna talk when the sun is out, but if we get a little drunk then it's all allowed. And the truth comes down, it's pouring, pouring. About to drop bombs like Warren Moon. Color of your skin be orange, orange. Orange to the girl that I met last June who was so damn fun, man, where does she go? On vacation, Puerto Rico. Grand Theft Auto in your heart like Nico. Trying to meet your mother like I'm chasing seagulls. She in the city, but she from a small town. High heels, tall shots make her fall down. Up late, now she running with the fast crowd. But she call me every night before she pass out. You ain't fooling us. You're from a small town. You ain't fooling us. You're from a small town. I can take you anywhere on a map. I can make it all good. You can make me come back. You keep moving, I can find you on the map. I can take you back home. You can make me unpack. You in Atlanta, but you from a small town. You in Chicago, but you from a small town. You moved to LA, but you from a small town. You live in Brooklyn, but I know you from a small town. She in the city, but she from a small town. High heels, tall shots make her fall down. Up late, now she running with the fast crowd. But she call me every night before she pass out. You ain't fooling us. You're from a small town. You ain't fooling us. You're from a small town. Yeah, all across the globe, in every town you know. Yeah, you ain't fooling us. How we end up in the same place. Every night I'm looking at you with my game face. What is that? Well, I split my baby blues and I act like I'm a movie star to make up for my moves. CMP rock, I'm CL, but I ain't very smooth. Got another ultimatum, you could stay or you could cruise. You could crush me when you leave, you could trust me, you could lose. Said I'm into heavy drinking, but I ain't into abuse. Like I'm Gary Busey, my life is Lucy based on the news. Got a sad story every single day we play the blues. I think today is just the day that I can make it through, cause I gave an ultimatum and you waited what you choose. So tell me anything, anything at all. Tell me what you learned in class or what you bought at the mall. I'm sorry that I'm an ass.